Okay, one quick practical example of how prarabdha plays a role. People don't realize this. I hope none of you have a parakeet in the house. I hope none of you have a fish in the house. You can have a dog or a cat, a domesticated pet, but some life that you have held captive and have held them in an environment different from their natural environment, natural habitat. You are increasing your agami karma that will accumulate as prarabdha many fold. I was at a devotee's house and they had a rabbit in the house. And the rabbit had one full big room. And every night, we were there for 2 nights. And I saw the rabbit walking all over the house entire night. And I sleep very little, so I could see him. And I asked them about it. I deliberately started the conversation at breakfast, and they said, rabbit is so happy. He goes all over the house. He's got a big room. He had a big crib. Sometimes during the day they'll put him in the crib, but the crib was larger than I could sleep in it, 6 feet. And I told them, I said, but he still is, when he's walking at night, he's looking for a door out. That's his natural habitat, is right outside, not this house. And you are accumulating the prarabdha of this jiva. That's a life, that's a jiva. He has come as a rabbit in your life. You are attaching yourself to him, thinking you're giving him happiness, whereas in fact you're giving him enough more pain. You may have bought it from somewhere, and you may think that you liberated an animal from some place, but don't habitate an animal whose natural environment is not living in a house like a cat or a dog, and release. Otherwise, your prarabdha accumulates. And lo and behold, they did call me after about a month or 2 months, I don't remember, when they said, Bandhaji, and they asked me at that day when we were talking to them, where can I say? I said, just go away from your house, just go to a big park somewhere where you see other rabbits. Leave him. He will assimilate. He will make his ways. Liberate him for you not to be entangled more. So even attachment with our children, as Khalil Gibran has said, children are of you, through you, but not yours. They don't belong to you. They are your biggest creditors. You are their biggest debtor. Remember that. Let them be where they are. This is just an example. Enough said. Thank you, everybody. I'm just going to chant my favorite chant of Hridaya that Bhagwan wrote. It takes only 1 minute. Hridaya kuhar madhye kevalam brahmamatram hayahamahmiti sakshat atmarupena bhati Hridi vishamanasatsvam chinvata machatava pavanachalana rodhat atmanishto bhavatvam pavanachalana rodhat atmanishto bhavatvam Atmanishto bhavatvam. Arunachala.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Arunachala.